Hi, welcome to Moments in History. I'm Linda Shenton Matchett, author, speaker, and history geek. While researching my stories, I unearthed tons of intriguing information that doesn't end up in my stories. So I've created this channel to share those tidbits with you. Today, we're once again going to be cooking from Lola Wyman's Better Meals in Wartime. The meal that we're doing today is meatballs, sweet and sour, for 4. Stay tuned to the very end where we'll have a recipe card available for you. But just to give you some information on the upfront, we've got 1 pound of ground round steak. It does call for an onion, which we have omitted today. 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of cracker crumbs, salt and pepper, a 1/4 cup raisins, which we've substituted craisins for, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 lemon sliced, 1 tablespoon of fat, 1 tablespoon of flour, and a 1/2 cup of hot water. So get your pen and paper ready and watch as we create meatballs sweet and sour for 4. All right, for our first step, we are going to mix the ground meat, the slightly beaten egg, the crumbs, and salt and pepper to taste. We're going to use approximately a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Is that correct?
Yes. For a pound of meat, that's about right. One hand only.
Keep one hand sanitary and clean. Use the other to mix the beef. For those of you who are squeamish, you can don a latex glove.
Oh, it's true.
Once you have completely combined the ingredients, you're going to form into 10 small balls.
It's almost like a bread dough. You want everything to start combining and come off the edge of the sides of the bowl. Is it 10?
10 small balls. Once the balls have been formed, we are going to brown them slightly in hot fat. The remainder of the cooking will be done when they've put under water with the rest of the ingredients. The meatballs have now been fully browned. They are not cooked through, but they are browned. We are now going to add a 1/2 cup of hot water, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of craisins. Again, we substituted craisins for raisins. We are then going to lay the lemon slices on top. And we are going to cook over a low heat for about a 1/2 hour. While the meal has been cooking, we added a tablespoon of flour to the tablespoon of fat that was left over from browning the meatballs to create a roux. The reason this is done is that if you add flour to a liquid, it's just going to clump and create little bits of yucky flour in your food.
Dumplings.
Right. We will now remove the lemon slices and add the roux to the meal.
So roux don't actually thicken until it comes to a boil. You have to cook that flour.
I hope you've enjoyed today's moment in history. If you'd like to learn even more history, please stop by my blog, found at www.lindashentonmatchit.com. And please consider subscribing to my channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications of new episodes that generally upload the second and fourth Friday of every month. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.